Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily get Siri AI on older iPhone and iPad models in iOS 27. If you're using an older iPhone and wondering whether you can access the new Siri AI features in iOS 27, this hands-on guide is for you. While Apple officially limits Apple Intelligence to supported devices, there is still a hidden way to use enhanced Siri capabilities and AI-powered features on older iPhone and iPad models. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that you have to choose the screen time option. Then you have to choose content and privacy restrictions. After that, ensure that this toggle is active. And then you have to choose Siri and ensure that Siri AI is selected. And that's all there is to it. The Siri AI option in iOS 27 gives all the iPhone models access to a limited set of AI-powered Siri features through the screen time settings, unlike newer iPhone and iPad models that support the full Apple Intelligence experience. Older devices can only use a restricted version designed for supported tasks. This allows Siri to perform select AI-assisted actions while keeping advanced on-device intelligence exclusive to compatible hardware. If you have screen time enabled, you can manage this feature and adjust the available Siri AI permissions from the appropriate settings. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy but hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.